good morning. So get ready with me because we're going to Nahandig Peak, Sambuangita. When I go hiking, I bring food and water to keep me strong. I prepare pancit canton, rice, and enough water. These are easy to make and will give me energy. Before the hike, I cook the rice and put it in a container. I also cook the pancit canton and pack it safely. This way, I can eat them easily during the hike. For water, I bring enough to drink while walking. I make sure to have extra so I don't run out. With my pancit canton, rice, and water, I am ready for my hike. This will keep me full, strong, and happy while I enjoy nature. This is my OOTD for today. Everyone is happy and excited to explore new places. As we travel, we enjoy the beautiful views around us. The fresh air, the trees, and the sound of nature make everything feel so special. We have finally arrived in Nahandig.
So we're here at the Handig Peak.
Ay, sila. Sila. Gani. Pwede sila.
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok. Tumakas na tayo, palayo sa maraming tao. Tumiwalay at magtago sa maingay at malabong mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging habagat at hampas ng alon. Dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan. na tayo ng kalikasan.